Hello students, today we are going to discuss one very important topic of letter to the editor. In previous class we have discussed about the letter to the editor. We read about the format, its meaning and in what way we have to write it. Today we are going to discuss one important example. Okay, so let's start. As I told you, for any question, it is quite essential to read the read the question very well. Okay, you have the question and some of the points already hidden in the question paper. Okay, so this is the question. Write a letter to the editor. Means we have to write a letter to the editor of National Herald. What is National Herald? That is the newspaper name. New Delhi means that is the address of the letter to the editor. Okay. Now about means about which subject we have to write. The water scarcity in your locality. Water scarcity in your locality. This point is quite important because this is the subject, this is the matter, this is the issue which you have to highlight. Okay, now what is question is saying? Suggesting ways to improve the position of water supply. Means you have to give the ways, you have to suggest some ways also in what way there is a improve may be done in the water supply. Water supplying is not happening, okay, in proper way, so you have to suggest the ways also to improve the position of water supply. Okay, understood. Now who are you? It is given Ram oblique Rani and this is your address 824 Kabir Nagar, New Delhi. Suppose this is not written, then you have to thought it by yourself. Okay, New Delhi, understood. So in the question you got the name of the newspaper, you got the subject, you got the address and some points which you have to highlight in the contents. It is not necessary in every question it is going to give, but you have to make proper understanding of it. Okay, so this is in this way you have to start from the question paper. You just take the address, it is written in 2 or 3 lines and whatever written you have to write here. 824 Kabir Nagar, this is the sender's address as you got in the paper. Okay, sender's address means who is the writer, his address. Okay, this write simply from the question paper and then you write date. As I told you, after leaving one line you have to write date. Okay, date is written like this or 20 May 2020, like this you have to write. There is not any issue of in what way you have to write a date. Okay, after that write the editor. This is the designation, this is the designation, you have to write editor. Here you have to focus, E should be in capital. Okay, after that the newspaper name, newspaper name is also in capital letter. The first word of the every word should be in capital letter. New Delhi. Okay, so in 3 lines you have to write the receiver's address, who is going to receive your letter. After, okay, after that, just a minute. After that I told you to write the salutation. Salutation, if it is not written you have to write sir oblique ma'am. Okay, no need to write comma here because this is going to be avoided. जैसे कि कबीर नगर के बाद आप कॉमा लगा दिए और न्यू दिल्ली लिख दें तो ये सब अवॉइड करना है, ठीक है. यू राइट सर मैम, नो नीड टू राइट कॉमा. Just after that you have to write subject SUBJECT and give the hyphen means small dash. Okay, and just go to the question and say what is the matter. what is the problem, what is the issue. Suppose it is a problem, so you just write problem of water crisis. Problem of water crisis. Try to write subject as short as possible. Subject को जितना short रखोगे उतना ही वो attractive रहेगा. Understood? After that, go to the content. That is going to be very, very important. First line you have to learn it. Okay, you have to get a command. Through the column of your esteemed newspaper, in every letter you have to write letter to them. Through the columns of your esteemed newspaper, I wish to draw the attention of the concerned authorities. In here, you know the authorities name, you can write Jal Board, Jal Nigam. Okay, but if you are not understanding which board is going to be concerned, then you have to write simply concerned authority. Through the columns of your esteemed newspaper, I wish to draw the attention. किसके लिए लिख रहे हो? This is very, very important. For whom you are going to write a letter, this is very important. किसको जगाना चाह रहे हो, किसको अवेयर करना चाह रहे हो. ओके, कंसर्न अथॉरिटी टुवर्ड्स किसके तरफ? द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ वाटर स्कैर्सिटी इन आवर लोकेलिटी. प्रॉब्लम ऑफ water scarcity simply in our locality. Okay, means here this why you are writing, because you want to draw the attention of concerned authorities of Jal Board towards this problem of water scarcity. Okay, you have to write. Just change your paragraph. Okay, after just change your paragraph and you give the detail of this problem. The residents means who is the residential of Kabir Nagar are facing acute, you understand, large number means very much acute water. Just a minute. Shortage in this area. Okay, acute shortage in this area. बहुत ज़्यादा कमी है scarcity in of water in the area. Why? Because the supply is cut off at 8:30 a.m. You just give the reason, whatever the supply of the water, that is going to cut at 8:30 in the morning. Okay, in the morning, and is restored and just restored only for half an hour. After that, after cutting from 8:30 a.m., it just got restored at the half an hour in the evening. This you have to highlight. Between 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. This is the problem. Means cutoff of the water supply is at 8:30 a.m. and between 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. it comes, but only for half an hour. So since the timings are erratic, you understand, means using of some means good vocabulary is quite essential, as I have suggested. Okay, means there is no fixed time. Unfixed. Erratic means unfixed. Since the timings are erratic, many people means all are facing problem, because we know कि water is very essential for us. ठीक है, most essential part of our life. So many people, but who is the special affected person, as I have suggested in the content of the working couples. Working couples, New Delhi. Understood? Working couples are unable to store water. You have to analyze. Being the students of class 10 and class 12, you have to understand the condition. If there is any problem, who is going to be affected mostly with that particular problem. Okay, so here especially the working couples are unable to store water, because at that time nobody is present in the home. That is why storing the water is a big issue. Frequent complaints, previous attempts, as I have suggested, what are the previous attempts taken by you. You just tell frequent complaints means लगातार complaint to the Jal Board. This is the concerned authorities. If you are not understanding what to write, simply write frequent complaints to the concerned authority have been done, but it is not resulted. It is not resulted any result as the authorities. What is the means we can say excuse of the authorities? Authorities express their helplessness वो अपनी गाथा गाते हैं कि वो खुद असहाय हैं, हेल्पलेसनेस, सेइंग दैट व्हाट डज दे से that tanks are under repair. According to that, many water tanks are under repair and has been shut down for a month. Has been shut down for a month due to the repair of the water tanks. They are in under repair for a month. So, in my view, means that is why this is the reason you are not getting the water. Okay, this is the problem. But what is the solution? As I have told you, what is the best solution in your view? You have to write. You write simply, so in my view the Jal board should make provision for water tankers at different horns of the day. Means provision should be there, which is going to be followed by the Jal boards. Okay, they have to take this issue very seriously, and they just provide the waters in different means period of the time. Only 2 times we are getting the water, so different period means at least 4 times. Okay, horns of the day. Also measures must be taken. Also means one more point added, also measures must be taken to expedite the repair of the work. Means whatever work is going on, you have to do it very frequently. Means repair as fast as possible. Don't be slow, expedite the repair. Okay, this is the issue you have to highlight. In last, you have to hope, and as I have suggested, you have to write to hope by changing the pentagram. I hope this issue will be highlighted in your newspaper. Okay, highlighted, sorry, through your newspaper, and the crisis of the water resolved soon in Kabir Nagar. Okay, means I hope this issue will be highlighted. You just got the publication of this issue, and whatever the problem, the water scarcity, the problem of water, crisis of water resolved soon. जल्द ही उससे हमें you have to. In last, simply you write yours truly. Okay, there is no need to write like this yours. ये ओल्ड फॉर्मेट है, ठीक है. ये सीधे लिखे YRURS truly and last Ramnath. Okay, in this way you have to write a letter to the editor. Okay, so whatever the points I have suggested you, in that way you have to write. Try to read maximum letter from the different sources, from the different books. Okay, and try to make your plan in what way you have to write a letter to write. I hope you understand by this example, by this sample, and just try yourself from different topics. Okay, and this all for today. Okay, thank you.